Think you know it all? Prove it with these 8 trivia questions. Question 1. What's the capital of Australia? Answer, Canberra. Question 2. How many continents are there? Answer 7. Question 3. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Answer, Leonardo da Vinci. Question 4. What's the smallest planet in our solar system? Answer, Mercury. Question 5. What's the tallest mountain in the world? Answer, Mount Everest. Question 6. Who wrote 1984? Answer, George Orwell. Question 7. How many bones are in the human body? Answer, 206. Question 8. What's the longest river? Answer, the Nile. How did you do? Comment your score below.